For today's video, we will show you how to add a bank account in PayPal Business. So let's begin. Now I'm here at the business page for PayPal. So this video is only meant for a business account. So if you have like a personal account, you need to sign up for another one to a business account. And all you're gonna do is just click sign up here. Alright, or talk to an account specialist to get started. And the numbers for you to be able to create an account is just simply in here. Then you can also check for the pricing and fees. If you wanted to make another account for business, right here. And then say for example, you have successfully created your business account. So this is where we are going to add our bank account. Right, so first in our step is you need to link a bank account to our PayPal business. So by doing so, let's just click this one part in this part here. It says link a bank or link your credit or debit card. It's up to you. But if you want to add your bank account details, you can add your bank account details in the bank verification or wire transfer. So just this one. Say for example, you're adding a bank account in the United States. All right, so you choose the country here, and of course you need to check the bank name and account type. All right, and after doing so, here comes the bank verification process right here. All you're gonna do is input all the informations that is being asked: city, bank branch account number, and re-enter the account number. And by doing so, all you're gonna do is simply double check the names on your bank account and PayPal account so that they match, and to prevent paying a fee for returned withdrawals. All right. And simply, all you're gonna do is confirm your bank card right here, link card. All right. And after doing so, once you've completed all these steps, please verify with your card issuer, and a verification message will be sent to you via your link phone number. And there's no deposit is required for creating a business account. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.